Now that you have a beautifully organised and neat kitchen pantry, we are going to share some tips on keeping it neat and organised and keeping your food fresh too. First, we recommend labelling all your containers. We use a Cricut to make our own labels, but you can use any labels you like. Make sure they are washable and easy to read. Label all containers at the same height to keep things looking neat and tidy.
Labelling your containers with the best before or use by date helps you ensure your food is always fresh. Write your best before dates on a label and place at the back or the bottom of each container, and we suggest you do this on shopping day when you're filling your containers. The first in, first out rule is a really great system to follow. Put newest items at the back so that you use the oldest items first. Arranging your containers inside your pantry needs to be consistent with how you use your items. Place items that you use every day in front of those items used less regularly. Now enjoy your clean and organised pantry.